Hello, my name is Matthew Grode. We're teaching a class with Ross Delano here in Corning, and we're going to try to do a stack of goblets, of cups. All right, so the clear first.
All clear bits, right?
All clear bits. And we got the zipper and the prawns.
The fronts are on mine.
And maybe we only put 4 prawns.
Just for time.
Yeah.
We can do 6 or 8. Remember, we got Dylan, we got Kuhn, we got a few other people that can help us out too. So
Right.
you don't want to finish too early.
Sure.
No
Okay.
extra points.
Okay. So six prawns at least.
That's gonna bother the shit out of me.
And we start those prawns on the top. So after the Pontido.
After the Sophie,
Yeah.
the first Sophie, right? Or
Yeah.
before. Yeah, no problem. I like this show. Those are the designs of the paper cups.
Okay, blow please. Top. Blow. Okay. Okay, blow. Top. Okay, blow. Okay. Gonna do the bottom. Can you paddle? Please?
I've done it before. I'll do it again.
All right. Go hard. Okay, blow. Okay. Okay. You can be ready for the wrap and the down wrap.
Bottom wrap?
Yeah, bottom wrap. With the zipper though.
It's a zipper.
Yep. Okay. Yes, please. So for the bottom one, I think it's better to take it without mothering before. Like this, it's juicy and we get better pattern. Okay. So we're gonna. I wonder if we take the 2 wrap,
Both the wraps and then.
we open it, and then we take the prints.
Okay.
After what?
After you trim. After the trim.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, at one point, we can cut the fan.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's hot.
Oh yeah. My tum tum. Yes. Yeah. I mean, you gotta give the people what they want.
So I Sophie it a little bit, and then we start, and we finish. I don't know if we should finish with the prints. So we're gonna put the 2.
You want to frame it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe just one little shot, and then you go. All right. So you marver it very quickly, or if you cannot marver it and just cut it and have a little flash quickly. We do the same a little bit more down. It's okay, we're gonna bring little ones, or yeah, little ones.
Little guys.
Little guys, you marver pointy,
Yeah.
or normal ones, big one. We're gonna go over the 2 tray. Yeah. Yeah, the big one.
That's good. Bigler.
2 more.
And 2 more after that, or 6 or
4.
4?
Yeah. All right, so now we open that, box it.
Yeah. Right. Yep.
All right. How do I break it right away in it? We're gonna take it off. If not, I think it's gonna merge together. Yeah. Okay, so 1.
Plenty of time.
Yes. So now a gray with the line in the middle, and now we're gonna do the opposite. We're gonna start with the prawns and then do the 2 tray.
Oh, awesome.
You're gonna see, right?
Great for them to see. Yeah.
So that was a clear glass. We're gonna do a gray glass, and the third one will be black. So it's gonna go like gray, clear to black. I'm thinking, so that is the top one. So now we do the middle one and the black one. So we should do this one a little bit bigger and the black one a little bit bigger. Okay, blue please. Top. Blue. Okay. Okay, blue. Okay. Ah. Okay, blue. Okay. Gentle. Okay. Okay. Go hard. Blue. Okay. Top. Can go for a little wrap.
Yeah.
And we try this one juicy.
Juicy?
Yeah.
Bigger?
Bit bigger.
Yeah. Do you want me to cut it again or?
We try not.
Okay. Let's go. This one's so bad. It's ergonomic.
Like that torque.
Yeah.
Flip. Oh yeah, juicy.
Oh yeah.
And now we can go for the crunch, please.
You want to do the first crunch?
Yeah. And that, yeah, perfect. Wait a second, please. I think I should try to wait for the wall a bit cooler, right? Yeah. All right. I think that might make a big difference.
Just like that.
Yeah.
Take a breath.
And it doesn't take the Dome of Doom inside.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Do one more of this. I got your fresh one.
Yeah.
That was fresh.
Okay.
One more, two more.
Huh, good question. One big guy. Maybe two. Sorry. Yeah. And then one wrap,
On the bottom.
Ponty, yeah, bottom. Then Ponty, then we do the other wrap. Yeah, when you're ready, I am. So we try thinner.
Yeah.
So I guess I got to turn faster.
Sorry, Dan. Pushing you out of the way. Could at least say excuse me.
Push slightly?
Yeah.
Okay. And we can go, no, I trim and then, yeah. Thank you. So we're gonna have to really to mush them together. It's gonna have to be hard.
Oh, yeah.
It's asking for problems, but we're gonna go for it.
Why make things easy?
And I blow it once and then we go.
Same as last time. Try to get these. I'll try to get these thick for you.
Yeah.
It's that stop and then go.
I guess with the color it's even harder because it's stiffer.
Yeah. You almost need a chance to pull it back a little bit.
Yes, yeah,
Turn it.
yeah,
All right, we'll figure it out by Friday, Saturday.
yeah. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Oh, there we go. Better.
Maybe a little slower too. It's
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
keep it.
And I start to turn also before you touch, so that's helping to kind of start the thing.
I mean, you look at the Ulisco ones and like they're all over the place.
Oh, yeah,
Really,
yeah.
You're like, oh, that's a first. And I love Ulisco stuff. I think it's great.
Okay, I'm open it and then 2, one more.
Not even sweaty. Yeah. That's good. He was very confident. It's just posture looks good. Yeah, looks healthy. Two again?
Yeah. I don't want to burn my hands.
Yeah, right.
Okay, blow. Top. Blow gentle. Okay. Thank you, Will. Did you all try the black? No? You have to before there is not anymore.
It's homework. Before I make it to the bar.
It doesn't work so well. No, it's not thick enough. The blowing goes a little thinner than the actual bar.
Okay, blow. Okay.
Wicked thick.
Gentle, please. Okay. Okay, Dylan. Okay, blow, go hard. Okay. Okay, Ross.
The stick this time, hopefully.
Yep. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, much better.
Yeah.
I want to do all this one, right?
Sorry?
The bottom one.
Yes, so we start with the trail.
Start with a little
We
trail.
do actually, yeah, trail, prance, trail. And then Ponty.
Front end in.
And then, yeah, little series of prance, please. All right, we're on time.
Here we go.
Wait a second. Wait a bit. Yeah.
Hang out.
Okay. Yeah, give me a sec.
Yeah, taking this
All right.
one. Right? Come on over.
So at least 3 more. Yep. There is maybe we can take the 2 left over. We need 2 small guys. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Ah, plenty.
Plenty of space.
Yes.
Yeah.
We could even put 2.
Yeah. Let's put 6 more. Another layer.
So last wrap. Yes, please. Oh, better and better. And
Yeah.
you can go for the Ponty, please.
A little stronger, right? I'm gonna put it on this.
So that's the one we keep on the Ponty, and then we start.
Make it a little hotter too. Yeah.
It's a bit thin on the bottom. With the black, I cannot really see, but. Oh yeah, that's.
Woo, sorry, Ed.
Okay.
Sir.
Have to get some videos of the final someday.
Thanks.
Gio said that he won't be back to town probably until Sunday. But he also said hi.
You better.
Hi, Gio.
Hi, Gio. Is he watching?
Yeah.
He's the only one that matters. Him and Steve. Is Steve watching?
Blacks get out so fast.
Tell me.
Oh, I hear that.
I hear that.
I make things easy. Let's slide this over there. Let's shut those things so we're done with those a little bit. Are we gloving these or are we gonna honey them?
We gotta do both.
Okay, cool.
So maybe Pontil the first,
Big gray guy.
and we see how it's worked. If it's worked well, then we go for a second.
Okay.
If not,
See, I'll knock it over and then honey to the side or to the bottom.
yeah.
Honey right to the side.
On the, if you can on
I'm not doing that. There's no way.
on the front.
Heck no. Makes me wildly uncomfortable. Just punch it up one of the raspberries.
Ah, it's black. Not now. I wanted to get rid of the little shard, but
Oh yeah.
I will live with it. All right, so the experiment starts.
Sure does. Dylan, you want to chip that grape up? Yeah, without breaking. No, we're good.
How to put on the floor 1 hour of work.
What?
How to put on the floor 1 hour of work.
You did great.
So the gray first, right?
Yeah. I already tipped it over. That's how you build management.
Acting as a third party.
Oh no, yes, I already did that. Me and my team. We don't say that. What a dirty funny, right?
Yes, super dirty. All right, so you ready? I'm going? Yeah. All right.
Dirty.
All right. Yep. I would like you to come if you can. It starts to, yeah. Yeah, go for it. Go for it. Yes.
So does that have wooden paddle on the platform? Wooden paddle on the back.
It's collapsed a bit more than I expected. Thanks. So this one the other way. I turn the other way, yes.
Okay, yeah.
All right. Yeah, like this. Go for it. Yep. And you can like the fork or something. Yeah, gloves great. All right, last flash.
So let's do the left side, Andy. I'll try to put it towards the wall. I should put fiber cracks in there. Here, take a bit.
Wait, it's a bit high. I'm gonna put it up. Okay. It's collapsed a bit. The lips collapsed a bit more than I was expected, but it's like the first of a series. Thank you for watching. Thank you.